Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete your Facebook account on your mobile device. But before I do that, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so to be able to delete your Facebook account on your mobile device, first head over to the app on your phone, and then click on the menu button in the top right, which is the three lines. On the next screen, click on the gear icon at the top to open settings. Next, the first section you see is Account Center. At the bottom of that, click on See More in Account Center. Once you're there, scroll down to Account Settings and click on Personal Details. And then the last option on the next page is Account Ownership and Control. Click on that. Now we're here, we just need to select the bottom option which says Deactivation or Deletion. Then select the profile you want to delete. Then you have two options here. You can either deactivate your account, which is temporary, or you can delete your account, which is permanent. So ensure that delete account is selected and then click on continue. Next, choose a reason why you want to delete your account and then click on continue. Click on continue again. On the next page, scroll down all the way to the bottom and then click on continue. Then once you enter your password and select continue, your Facebook account will be deleted. And that's all it takes to delete your Facebook account on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.